To get flour for bread and pies, Adele and her sisters had to hike over 4 miles to the nearest mill. They carried bundles of wheat to the mill, then returned home carrying heavy bags of flour on their heads.
I wish we had a road to walk on to get to the mill. Last week, I saw a bear in the woods.
Oh, Isabel, I love the Indian trails. It's wonderful what I see amongst the trees.
I don't know how you can even see the trails. You with only one good eye. And that's exactly what I'm nervous about. What might be amongst the trees. I'm afraid there are raccoons or bobcats. Or worse, wolves or bears. Even the squirrels make so much noise rustling in the leaves that they startle me.
Well, perhaps that's why God sent me here. I must use my only good eye to watch the trail so I don't see all the scary squirrels around me.
Adele, don't tease me. When something moves in the woods, I sometimes turn so quickly, I drop the flour right off my head.
I walk by faith, not by sight. We can trust in the Blessed Virgin Mary to protect us from any evil lurking in the woods. Father, there isn't much wheat here. I can handle the trip myself today.
That's fine. Isabel, Mother can use your help in the kitchen. Adele, please hurry back.
Several hours later, Adele came rushing towards the house, dropping the bag of flour as she did so. Her sisters were astonished.
Father! Mother! Come here!
What is wrong? What happened? A bear?
No, not a bear. Father! Mother!
Adele, you're shaking. What scared you?
Her mother stepped out of the house as her father walked over from the fields.
Mother, in the woods.
Where? In our woods? Here?
No, the woods near Robinsonville.
That's 2 miles away. Did you run the whole way home?
I was so scared.
Why? What scared you?
What did you see?
I saw a lady in white, Mother. A lady. She just appeared out of nowhere, up in the trees. There was a light so bright it blinded me, and it began to change into the shape of a woman. I stopped and stared. With the wheat still on my head, I could not move. Her dress was whiter than snow, and she had a yellow sash around her waist. She was beautiful, but oh, I was terrified.
What did she say to you? Anything?
Nothing. She said nothing at all. She just hovered in the trees.
You're still trembling.
Esperance hugged her sister, trying to calm her. Adele continued.
After some time, she just faded away. Only a little white cloud was left behind.
It is nothing to be afraid of. It is probably a poor soul from purgatory. When you go to Holy Mass this Sunday, you can pray for her.
Come in and sit down in the house. Isabel, get her some water from the well. Just a poor soul needing prayers.
Yes, you can pray for her then, at Holy Mass in just a few days.
The Catholic church closest to Adele's settlement was 11 miles away. Many of the Belgian pioneers had stopped going to Mass because of the difficult walk through the woods. But Adele and her family remained obedient to the church's teachings and continued to attend Mass and go to confession. That Sunday, October 9th, 1859, Adele was walking the same trail to Mass with her sister Isabel and a neighbor. As they approached the place where the lady in white had appeared, Adele became fearful. She suddenly cried out,
Oh, that thing is still there!
Where? What thing?
Terrified, Adele could not move or speak. She thought,
Is it a ghost? It is so bright. I can hardly look upon it. Can my friends see it too?
but Adele's companions could not see anything. The lady stayed for only a few moments, not uttering a word. Then Adele spoke again.
Okay, she is gone. let us continue on our way.